my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me today. So today I am unboxing the AIA Beauty Bundle box. This is a monthly box. It costs $38 a month. And every month they feature different brands in here. So we've been getting some skincare brands, some beauty brands. And this month I was super excited because we have a beauty brand that they're featuring this time. So a box basically full of makeup, which is awesome. So guys, if you're new here, thank you for stopping by my channel. On this channel, I do different unboxings of different subscription boxes, hauls, beauty products, and more. So if you're interested in that type of content, this is the channel for you. Please feel free to hit that subscribe button and you'll stay up to date with me on all my latest unboxings. But for now, guys, let's get in this box. So guys, when you get this box does come with a card every month, and it does tell you who is the beauty brand that they're featuring this month in the box. So this month we have Lurella Beauty. I have to be honest, I'm not familiar with them, so this is my first time trying out any of their products. So I just wanted to start that off. Guys, on the back of our card here, we have the name of the products that are included in our box, the value of the product, and a little bit of information about each product that's in the box. So let's get started with our first product. So the first thing that I'm pulling out is we did get some scissors. And let me take them out of the pack here. These are the scissors that we have, a nice gold pair of scissors. And from what I understand, we have some lashes in here. So this is to help you with the lashes. I think that's awesome. I don't ever remember getting scissors in any of my boxes. Nope, I don't think I've ever got any scissors in any of my boxes. So this is our first product here. And they say the scissors are valued at $8, which I think is somewhat reasonable. And it says trim your favorite falsies with these scissors to the right length. And this is their new lash scissors that they have under the Lurella Beauty. I'm gonna get it together. I am. So under Lurella Beauty, this is their scissors for lashes here. So that's our first product. And the next product that I'm going to review is going to be also in addition to the lashes, going with that same flow. So we got some lash tweezers here, guys. So the lash applicator here is valued at $7. It's also gold, keeping with that gold theme here. I'm trying to get them out of here. They have a little plastic thingy on here. So these are the lash applicators here, as you can see. Nice pair. And again, this is valued at $7, and it says it's a must-have tool for putting on your falsies. So I completely agree with that. So that is our second product out of this box. And the next product I'm going to show you guys, it is our lashes. Look at these things here. Let me take them out the box so you guys can really see what they look like. These are dramatic, honey. These lashes ain't playing. So these are the lashes that we have included, which I think is awesome. So these are their 3D synthetic eyelashes. These had a $6 value, and it says with countless styles representing places all around the world, our selection of high quality synthetic lashes today will become your new must. So this has a value again of $6 for these lashes. These are so dramatic. This would be like a whole bat wing on my eye. Oh my gosh. Wow. These are extra drama. I can't help but to like want to put it on and see how dramatic it will be. Hold on. I know I'm not doing it right, but I just wanted to see. Look at the difference. This is a whole bat wing. Wow. Look at that. A bat wing. So dramatic. Oh my gosh. But I just had to like kind of, play with it a little bit. But I didn't feel like putting lashes on today. So I apologize, guys. I did not try out these lashes. But guys, the best part is they did give you the glue, which I think is dope. Most time you get lashes and there is no glue. And then sometimes you get lashes and they give you the glue, and the glue is so terrible. So I'm hoping this is not a bad glue. I'm hoping I will like this glue. So they do give you the lashes and the glue, and you have your scissors and your tweezers to put your lashes on. So I think that is awesome. And I'm going to go on to our next product. So we're all lashed up. So now we have a makeup bag, guys. And this one is full of brushes. So this is their neon brush set, and it has a value of $30. And they give you quite a few brushes. Wow, look at all of these. Like, you literally have all the brushes to put on all your makeup, which I think is pretty dope. I've never used their brushes before. Let's see, are they pretty dense? Or no, they're pretty soft. They're very soft. I did not use this to put on any makeup because I didn't clean these brushes yet, and I do like to wash them. But you got like a nice foundation brush. It's very soft. It has the denseness that I think it'll need to move the makeup around. I can't wait to wash these and try them out, but I just think that's awesome. So you have all your eyeshadow applicators. You have your brushes here for highlighting and powders, and I just think that's awesome. They gave you a whole set. You even have your brush guides to do your eyebrows with. So, and to your spoolie on the end, you got a nice angle brush. So you could either, you know, do your eyebrows with this brush. I think that's pretty cool. That's really nice to get a whole set of brushes, and you get a little makeup pouch. So that's pretty cool. I like that. I like that actually a lot. And again, guys, this has a $30 value for the brushes, and it says pair your favorite creams and powders with these perfectly soft and high quality brushes. So they feel pretty good. I can't wait to try them out. I love getting brushes because that's one less thing I have to buy. So that's pretty awesome to me. So guys, the next thing that I'm going to pull out, they gave us a facial exfoliator. I've never seen one made up like this. This has a $5 value. It says you can exfoliate, massage, and clean all at once with this when paired with your favorite cleansers. So this is one side of it here, and then this is the other side. I've never seen nothing like this. I have to be quite honest with you. I just have never seen anything like this. I'll give it a try. You guys know I love my facial tools, so I'll definitely try this out. I think this is neat. So far, not a bad box so far. So the next thing, guys, I'm going to go with is our eyeshadow palette. Yay! So this one is called Va 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 Voom eyeshadow palette, and it has a $26 value. So guys, when you first open it up, let me take that sheet out that protects it. When you first open it up, it does come with a mirror. I'm going to fold that back so I don't blind you with the ring light. So look at all these awesome shades that you get in here. I think these are really nice colors. It has a total of 18 eyeshadow colors in this palette. You have some light berry, cool nudes, muted gray tones. It says still to show with a flirty glam or spicy, more intense look. So guys, I did do my eyeshadow, and I do have that up on the screen now, and I did complete my look using this eyeshadow palette that we received in here, and I think the colors are very pigmented. I found it pretty easy to work with. There was a little fallout, so you know, just expect that a little bit. It was a little fallout. That could have been my fault because I didn't tap my brushes off, so sometimes I'm lazy, so that could have been me. But I think my eye look came out really great with using this palette. So I can't complain. I thought it was easy to work with. I think it's a lot of great colors. You can have fun mixing and matching, and I'm not afraid to mix stuff up. So I would say don't be afraid to mix stuff up with your colors. Have fun. You know, I just pick stuff and I just kind of go, and I don't know how it's going to turn out half of the time, but I just go with it. Like, just go with it, man. Just go with it. But I had fun using this palette, so you guys see how effortlessly it was for me to work with this palette and create the look that you guys see I have on right now. So I enjoyed this palette, so I can't wait to use it for other great looks. So that was a plus. So guys, the next item in our box, I have a highlighter by Lurella, and this is valued, guys, at $12. Very reasonable products that are actually in this box. So it says the moment you've been waiting for, it's finally here. Get your glow on with our highlighter. I use the highlighter as you guys are watching now, and I enjoyed the highlighter. You know, I like my gold, so this was like right on time for me. I think it worked out really well. It wasn't too much, but it was just enough to give you the right shimmer for your look. I thought it was easy to use. You guys see it going on. You guys let me know what you think, but I thought it worked out really well with this highlighter here. So I was pretty hyped about the highlighter and the results that I got. So guys, our very last product that's in this box is going to be a liquid lipstick. I really like this color, but not on me. I started using it, as you guys can see, and I was like, whoa, this color bright, this bright. I would need to play with this liquid lipstick a little bit more, and I would need to find another shade to mix it with to tone it down a bit for me. It was a tad bit too bright on me. I was expecting it to be a little bit more sheared, and it was really pigmented. I felt like I looked crazy with this color. I mean, it packs a punch. Like, I think this is great for someone who is a lighter skin tone than me, or you have fairer skin. I think you will love this. You will love this for the summer. For me, it was doing a little too much. But guys, overall, I think this was a great box this month. We've been getting some skincare the last couple of months. The first quarter, I would say, of the year, we got a lot of skincare, and now we have a box that's completely full of makeup. Oh yeah, last month we did have the nude sticks. They gave us makeup too. No, that was Pure Lease. Well, we had a nude sticks box. I can't remember exactly what one it was, but they gave us makeup in that box as well. But I really like this box because I felt like we got so much more makeup than I've seen in a while. Like, we got a whole palette. We had I thought it was great. I really enjoyed the palette. I really enjoyed the highlighter. Those are like my top two things out of the box. I think the lashes are so much fun. Some days I feel like putting lashes on, and some days I don't. Today is a day I don't feel like putting no lashes on, so I didn't put them on, but I can't wait to try them out. I think these will be so much fun when I do put them on to try out. So I was just playing around with you guys and like slapping one on, but I thought this was a really good box. I liked how the products worked. I created this look with the products in this box, with my eye look rather, and my highlight with the products in this box, and I was happy with how the products turned out. So guys, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you think about this box with the Lurella Beauty. Have you tried these products before? I haven't. This is my first introduction to these products. I am really happy and pleased with how everything worked out, and it would definitely make me want to go out and look for their products. If I come across them, I would definitely be reaching for them to try them out. But guys, let me know in the comments what you thought about this month's box. And guys, until next time, stay blessed and have an awesome summer, because we are outside now. We are outside, and I am so happy, and it's just like so refreshing. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on